Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this video, we will talk about AWS tips and tricks. That means here we will understand how we can get the most out of AWS services. So if you are looking for the same related to the AWS services, so I'm going to share some important tips and tricks which can help you while you are working with AWS services. So first services we have about the EC2. So we use EC2 instances for the compute resources, and it provides you the on-demand access to the virtual server. It's a great way to scale your application or service quickly and easily. Next, we need to keep our AWS accounts safe by enabling multi-factor authentication, and always we should use strong password because it is the best practice to secure your AWS environment. Next tips we are having related to IAM services. So we should use IAM roles to control access to our AWS resources and always follow the least privileged access to the end users. So we should not grant the much access to the person who is not authorized to do that particular activity. Okay, like for example, if you want to give access to the service desk guy, we just want them to reset the password, not to do any admin activities. So that means we should provide access to them to just reset the password. Next tips is about Amazon CloudWatch service. So we should use Amazon CloudWatch to monitor our AWS resources and application, and also we should keep an eye on our usage as well. Next service and tips is about Amazon Elastic Beanstalk. So we should use this Amazon Beanstalk Elastic Beanstalk service to deploy and manage our web applications. Now next tips is about Amazon S3 service. In normally we known as simple storage service, so that we use to store data into the cloud, and it's a great option for storing static data like images or video. If you want to keep your data for long term, like you want to use long term storage, then we can use Amazon Glacier service, and we can use Amazon Glacier service only when we not require frequent access. If you need to access your data frequently and for long term storage, we can use Amazon S3 in that case. Next tips is about Amazon VPC. So when we need to use it, when we want to separate our environment, we can use it to control access to our AWS resources. Next tips, it's about Amazon DynamoDB. So we should use Amazon DynamoDB for the high traffic web applications, e-commerce systems, gaming application where we require high traffic. Okay. Next tips is about Amazon Elasticcache. So we use Amazon Elasticcache for caching, session management, gaming leadership, and geospatial applications. Next tips is about Route 53. What is Route 53? Amazon Route 53 is a DNS management service in AWS, and we use this service to route traffic to your web application. Next tip is about Amazon CloudFront service that is used to deliver your content to the end user, and it's a great way to improve the performance of your website, or we can say the web application. Normally CloudFronts speed up the delivery of your content by caching it at edge locations around the world, so that's why user can access your data, your web application, your website quickly. So next is about Amazon SES service. In short, we known as a simple email service, and this service is used to send and receive emails. Now let's talk about next service, that is Amazon SNS service, known as simple notification service. Whenever we need to send notification to the end users, we can use this service quickly. And the last we are talking about Amazon HWF service, which is simple. And the last we are having service called Amazon HWF, that is Amazon Simple Workflow Service, which is used to coordinate tasks with the AWS between the AWS services. So That's it in this video. I hope you find this video helpful. I'm collecting more data related to these quick tips and trips, and I'll share you in a upcoming video. So don't forget to click on like button, share with your friend to help them to learn, and subscribe this channel for more latest updates and free resources related to cloud computing.